Is this Hiccapop wipe warmer the best baby wipe warmer on Amazon? Keep watching to find out. Hey everyone, I'm Coral and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, click that subscribe button down below and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Today I'm going to be sharing my review of the Hiccapop wipe warmer. I've had this wipe warmer for about 8 months now and we use it on a daily basis. Wipe warmers can be a little bit of a hot topic when it comes to baby products. Lots of people say you don't need them, other people say you do. In my experience, a wipe warmer is not a must-have, but it is something that is really nice to have. We went several months without a wipe warmer for our son because our old wipe warmer wasn't meeting our needs. But having a wipe warmer is really nice, and I do notice a difference between using a wipe warmer and not using a wipe warmer with our son. So today I'm sharing the features of this wipe warmer as well as how to use it and my overall opinion. All the products I mentioned will be linked down below in the description, so if you see something that you like, click below to grab it for yourself. The price of this wipe warmer is $39.99. I often see it on Amazon for just a few dollars cheaper at $37.92, which is what I paid for mine. This is just slightly more expensive than the other comparable products on the market right now, which come in at about $25 to $30. The dimensions for the wipe warmer are 10.5 inches wide, 7.5 inches deep, and 5 inches tall. Again, this is very comparable to the other brands on the market. They are good sized, it's not super large, and it doesn't take up a ton of space. If you are looking for a wipe warmer, you do need to be aware that you have to set aside a little bit of your changing table space for one. Overall, I think the size of this one is pretty nice. There are 2 color options for this wipe warmer. The colors that this wipe warmer currently come in are snow, which is white, and stone, which is gray. The white is a nice neutral color. It does have a few Hiccapop logos on it that I could do without, but they don't really bother me. The gray is a dark gray color, not a light gray, so unless you have a darker room, I would suggest going with the white one. This wipe warmer works with all of the major brands of continuous feed wipes. Continuous feed means that the wipes continue to come as you pull them out. They are stuck together and the next one comes out as you pull the first one. This is how most of the baby wipes on the market are. In my research for this video, however, I found that this wipe warmer does not work with water wipes. Water wipes are not continuous feed, and in fact, their website recommends that you do not use them with a wipe warmer. So if you're thinking about using water wipes, this wipe warmer or really any other wipe warmer probably isn't for you. So before buying any wipe warmer, check to see if the wipes that you use or plan to use are continuous feed wipes. We use the Pampers Sensitive wipes and they work well. This warmer has a top heated design. That means the heating element for the warmer is at the top of the container instead of the bottom. Some other wipe warmers heat from the bottom and cause browning and dry wipes. That being said, this means that only the first few wipes that come out of this wipe warmer are going to actually be warm because they warm from the top. For most diaper changes, you will have plenty of warm wipes. If you have a diaper change that does require a lot of wipes, as you continue to go further down into the wipes, they are going to get a little bit cooler. Although I found that even when you do use a lot of wipes, the cooler wipes seem to be warmer than if you took them directly out of the wipe packaging. We live in Houston and it's incredibly humid here, so I have actually never had a problem with the wipes being dry. Although I have seen some reviews where people talk about that being an issue. If you do have that issue or don't live somewhere that is humid like I do, I have an easy hack for keeping the wipes moist. So if you find that your wipes do get dry, Hiccapop recommends adding a 1/4 cup of water to your wipes when you place them in the warmer. This helps prevent the wipes from drying out and keep them moist while they are in the warmer. There is also a refill window at the front of the warmer. This allows you to look inside and see how many wipes you have left in the warmer. This isn't a huge thing for me, but I do use this feature occasionally to see how many wipes are left inside. There is also a built-in nightlight for nighttime diaper changes. When you press the button at the top right, a light comes on in the refill window for a nice soft low light. This is handy if you don't want to turn on the room lights in the middle of the night. Personally, I don't use this because by the time that I got it, my son was old enough to be sleeping through the night. I do, however, use it when I am checking the refill window to see how many wipes are left. This light can be turned back off by pressing the button, or if you leave it on, it will turn off automatically after 10 minutes. Being able to turn off the nightlight is one of the features that I love about this wipe warmer. The last wipe warmer that we had, which was the Munchkin Bright and Warm wipe warmer, had a nightlight on it that you could not turn off. This wasn't a problem when my son was very small because he was sleeping in our bedroom and the warmer was in his room. But as soon as he started sleeping in his own room, I became very aware of keeping the room as dark as possible to promote good sleep. And that warmer was very bright in a dark room. So that's why we had to get rid of it and find a different one. Along those lines, there is also a red charging light on the top of the warmer that you cannot turn off. It's a very low light that is barely visible even when his room is completely dark. One thing I love about this wipe warmer is that it is very easy to reload the wipes. The last wipe warmer that I had was incredibly hard to open and refill the wipes, and you needed 2 hands to do it. With this wipe warmer, it is so much easier to do, and you can get it open with 1 hand because half the time you run out of wipes in the middle of a diaper change or need to refill them right after you are done with the diaper change. So while talking about reloading the wipes, let me show you how to reload and use this wipe warmer. To start off, slide the child locks forward and open the lid. Load the wipes into the warmer. As you are lowering the lid, pull the top wipe through the opening. Then close the lid and slide the locks back into place. When you need a wipe, open the smaller lid and pull the wipe gently. Now, one downside with this wipe warmer is that the dispenser can be hit or miss. Sometimes when I'm pulling the wipes, more than 1 wipe comes out. And some other times the wipes get stuck and I have to reach in and pull more wipes through the opening. This is something that I have seen several people complaining about on the reviews on Amazon as well. To me, it's not that big of a deal. I honestly don't remember if our other wipe warmer did this or not, but when I'm using the wipes directly out of the package when I'm not at home, this happens to me too. So I don't love that it happens, but it doesn't bother me all that much, and I'm not convinced that it's something that can actually be fixed. Honestly, I feel like it's probably more of a wipe problem than an issue with the wipe warmer. Another thing to note with this warmer is that the wipes come out warm, but not super warm. They definitely feel nice and warm to the touch when you pull them out, but they're not quite as warm as you might think that they should be. Hiccapop actually addresses this in the included paperwork that comes in the box, saying that you don't want them too warm because then the wipes would dry out. I feel like the wipes from my old Munchkin wipe warmer were probably a little bit warmer, but I honestly didn't like that warmer as much as this one. And now that I've been using it for several months, it's not something that I really notice. Overall, I'm really happy with this Hiccapop wipe warmer. It is super easy to reload. The top heated design keeps the wipes warm without drying them out. I love that you can turn off the nightlight to keep the room dark at night, and my son really prefers having warm wipes over cold ones. I think this wipe warmer is a great buy. If you want more reviews of other baby products I love, click right here for my must-have baby product review playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.